Welcome back to the channel, good friends. Brian from Apex Detail. Those that have followed the channel for any period of time knows I am not a fan of the ceramic body washes or shampoos for maintenance at all, really. I came across the Dr. Beasley's ceramic body wash. Has this changed my mind in any way whatsoever? Let's get into this video and find out. Dr. Beasley's Ceramic Body Wash, 12 ounces, $19.99. The small bottle, because it's highly concentrated, a little bit does go a long way. You can use it in a wash bucket, 2 capfuls to 4 gallons of water. I'm going to test it in a foam lance because any of these ceramic body washes I have used, the foam, the suds, dissipate quickly, and you cannot use it as a foamer. This one, you can, and I'm going to demonstrate that here. You do not want to put it in an empty bucket or an empty foam lance. If you're going for a foam lance, get it filled up with the warm water first, then dump it in, or you can pre-mix it and then dump it in the canister. In a contact wash bucket, get your mitts in there first, or have the bucket filled with water, and from there, drop in a few capfuls of the Dr. Beasley Ceramic Body Wash. It is very rich with surfactants and lubricants, and I'm going to demonstrate that right here. The product does create thick shaving cream-like suds that dwell in the car and chemically break down the contaminants. Helping to break down the contaminants chemically, then you don't have to agitate so much with the mitts. And of course, then you know that is what causes the love marks and marring. And while it's on the car dwelling for 3 to 4 minutes, it does say on the bottle not to wash in direct sunlight, but I wanted to wash in direct sunlight anyway because I want to test water spots. I have a water spot problem in the area. I wash my cars outside, so if I can use the product, I'm going to have to be able to use it outside. So while the thick suds are dwelling, I'm going to agitate some of the corners and the areas where dirt has built up and really started to bake on. And then after a few minutes, I'll wait as long as I possibly can. Even if it does start to dry on the car, guys, just re-wet it. As you get it wet again, it reactivates the soap and you could rinse it free from the surface of the car. The real nice thing about this, some soaps are really a pain in the you-know-what to rinse off as they really cling to the surface, and we have no problems with this here. The next step is dumping a couple capfuls of the rich, viscous formula into your wash bucket. You can see the ribbons slowly sink to the bottom of the bucket. Agitate with your pressure washer wand, drop the mitts in, and you're good to go. Tons of suds and a lot of lubrication. Lubrication is huge in my world here, trying to cut back on any type of love marks, especially on cars that have already been corrected, because once we correct them here, we want to practice safe maintenance techniques to never have to correct them again. Pulling that wash mitt out of the bucket and running it over the car, there is a lot of lubrication as you can go from one end of the panel, even on a large roof, hood, or trunk, to the other, and you will not feel that wash mitt start to grab. Plenty of lubrication there to get you all the way across each panel and get that car clean. The tight beads and tension on the surface remain after using the shampoo, and the real plus for me is no water spots whatsoever. It doesn't matter how fast my son and I dry a vehicle when we're outside, we always get water spots. Not in this case. And that brings us to the final thoughts segment of the video. The Dr. Beasley's ceramic shampoo and body wash is actually the first shampoo in its subcategory to get a thumbs up from me. Proper cleaning power, helps with water spots, plenty of foam, plenty of suds, plenty of lubrication, and really puts a check in all of the boxes that I look for in this type of a product. I'll put the link down below if you want to look into it any further. Guys, again, only order and purchase products if you need them. If you have something that's working for you already, for God's sake, use it up. It's when you're looking for something different, if what you're using is not working or you want to change things up a bit or you're looking for a certain type of product, you have these videos to come back to and use as a source of information, maybe to help guide you in your choice. So good luck in your projects. Shine on. Brian from Apex Detail. I'll catch you in the next video.